Alrighty, guys. It is 1 a.m. right now, Central Time. I you guys, I was so adamant that the market was gonna short, and but I remember on my last live, um, I got in right here, and I closed somewhere around here. Um, no, I closed I think somewhere around here, and then I got in somewhere. I got in again around here, but when this started going up, um, I closed it. And then I waited and I was like, dude, like, yes, the market is like just, it's making, it's not making any high at all. Like, it's not breaking through this one here. Even here, it didn't break through this. And when it was started going down, I drew this trend line as um, a bear flag. And I was like, shoot, like, you know what? Maybe I was right from the start. I just needed to wait. You guys, I have been waiting for 4 hours and 25 minutes for this trade to happen. It took 4 hours and 25 minutes. And when I saw the market um, not breaking out, even on this one, and we had like a strong pullback, I was like, shoot, I gotta go back in. Like on my last live, I literally said I need to go to sleep. Like it kept budging me that I knew this market has to go down because I didn't like these two equal lows. They're sort of equal lows, right? But I needed it to um, for a liquidity grab, and this was my original take profit, and I still have it. And yeah, I haven't been in drawdown at all. Literally, I got in somewhere right here, and it's been going down since then. Look, look, like I lost. I think Yeah, I traded I think one more time after I got off, and I lost to $250 on that trade. It was somewhere here. Um, but yeah, I'm glad I didn't go to sleep because I would have missed out on this one. Um, yeah, but this is a good trade, but I did have to break my rule because honestly, I didn't want to trade more than 5 times today. But yeah, I think this is like my fifth trade or my sixth trade today. And honestly, to be honest, if I had just had held from here, but sometimes like in a slow market, like you don't know, like when you're seeing this happening, it's hard to truly rely, right? Like you can't really rely on trend lines. Like they're good to have, you know, like to create like a flag or a wedge or whatever it is. Otherwise, like it's not really good. Like trend lines are not truly like respected most of the time. And especially like when it had this fourth touch, I was like, bruh, this market is gonna go up. Because usually after three touches, the market just breaks out, right? And but I saw this strong rejection, and I was like, shoot, okay, like this is gonna be. I still see the sells. I still see the sells happening, and yeah. And my goal is, and I remember on my last live, I said I don't want to hit um, a home run. I said I just want to hit like first base or second base. Like I used to play baseball, and like if you want to be safe, forget hitting a home run because you can't do that all the time. You know what I mean? But you can hit, you can bunt, um, you can do whatever, and run to the first base, second base, and then go to it that way. And yeah, this Like, unless it doesn't look like it's going to reject here, and I still see, you know, the market going to at least 800 before it starts going up. Because you can't really be, bearish on a Nasdaq, after a huge news we had last week. And yeah, but you can be a short for a little bit here and there. Um, but you can't do it all the time. But this is like my goal was to make earlier in my last trades, my goal was to make like $500 in Asian session and then use that for my New York session. You know what I mean? Like I wanted to use my profit instead of using my own money. I wanted to use the profit to trade on New York session to risk that, $300, $400 in New York session from the profit, right? In that case, my psychology is not bad, still, great, because I'm using a profit instead of using my own money. So yeah, I'm up $650 so far. Um, it might retrace a little bit before it starts going down. Like my goal is by 2 p.m. it needs to hit this, and then London session to start kicking. For London session to push it up. Would it push it up? I'm not sure, but usually, you know, London would have like the lowest of the day, and then we go up. But we'll see though. We'll see. Like right now, like I'm just waiting for a follow through on this to go through here. So let's see. Like that's a strong bearish movement right there. That's strong. It's strong. You know what I mean? That's pretty strong right there. But this bearish flag was, it took forever. And when I saw that, like it's still respecting, I was like, shoot, like let me just get in right here. Yeah, I think I got in right there at 12:30 Central Time. It's 1:18 right now. Like barely went on a drawdown and just went up. And I had my stop right here earlier. No, actually, I think I had my stop somewhere around here. And then, yeah, I mean, I can put it to break even right now, but let's see. I don't see the market returning from here, like back up all the way. Like this is not the pivot place. Like I can see the market coming down here before it shoots up. But we'll see. Um, Let me see. Interesting. I don't know where the chat is on OBS. Like there's supposed to be a chat, right? Let me see. You guys can't see what I'm clicking right now on OBS, but I'm like trying to find the where the chat is. Mm. Dang, I can't find the chat. Yeah, it's like 1:20 a.m. and my wife just woke up and she's like, "Are you still working?" Yep. Yeah, I'm up 5:37 right now. Let's see. Like I'm trying to see if there's any like strong bearish flag that would be created for one more leg down. I need a strong candle. Like, I want to sleep quick. Mm. Oh no, no way. No way. No way. That's so dumb. You guys, I had 4 followers accounts and I forgot I didn't change like the maximum loss limit on these for the day because I had it set for like $350. Shoot, I don't know how. Wow, so I've only made my I'm only made my money on this one and only. Like I thought I was up $1,000 on all 5 accounts, which is $5,000, but I'm only up in one. Yo, I need to change the thing tomorrow. So this means even if I hit a home run on this one, I still need to trade. My God, that's so dumb. I totally forgot. No, guys, this is so dumb. This is so dumb. Bruh. Dang, it almost doesn't matter. This is dumb. Because I'm locked out still, so I can't really trade anymore. I still have 15 hours left on all the 4 accounts, so I can't do anything. Man, this is messed up. Shoot, and messed up just canceled it when I was in drawdown for the $60 on this one, because I was down 295 or 287, right? So on this trade, I was on a drawdown for what? For $70 or so before the market went down. So it must have locked these out on my drawdown. Oh my gosh, bro. You guys, this is so dumb. This is dumb. That's okay. At least if I can get this one for today, no rush. No rush. It's okay. No rush. We're creating a bearish flag right now. I know it seems like the market is going up, but the market is making a bearish flag again. Just waiting. I can't lose on this trade anymore. So My bad, you guys. I'm not looking at the screen. I'm watching a movie right now. A really good Japanese movie. Okay, we're seeing a follow through right now. Like that's a strong bearish candles on the 1 minute. That's pretty strong. Like the bears are determined to go down. Not only that, like to be honest, I wouldn't be surprised if the market goes down to 24,771. Dude, I'm just bummed out that the other, my other, shoot, it's like a rookie mistake, bro. I think contracts ended last Friday, right? For the Nasdaq, or for a lot of options, I think. So last Friday was bullish, right? Like I actually got in at 51 here, and I sold at 48 right here. Like I held through all this, and then when yeah, 2:30 market went up, closed my trade here. It was bullish, but um it was bullish, but I don't know. Like usually there would be a retracement like at the end of the week, right? Like thank God it's Friday thing that ICT talks about. I think, but it didn't make any wick on the top on the weekly candle last week. At least not that I know of. So I guess maybe it did a little bit. This is a bummer, bro. This is a bummer. I can't believe this shut me out. I'm so mad. It would have been a 5,000. No, it would have been a $7,500 day. At least in these accounts, in the combines. How you doing, baby? Should be done in the next 10 minutes, hopefully. I'm like so close. Oh, goodness. this is tripping you guys. Just give me 10 more points. I'm trying to go to sleep. Just a good there you go, you guys. That is the trade, and I wouldn't be surprised if the market reverses from here. Godly, you guys, that was a 6 hour trading session with a stupid, how many, 4 hours and 30 minutes of consolidation, and the markets getting me scared and out like 3 times. I was negative $287, but I ended up getting my money back plus getting a home run. Even though my goal is not a home run, I doubled down on this trade and got it done. Except the only thing that's very annoying is that my other trades, when I was on a drawdown on this trade, I was in a drawdown for, I think, for like $80. All of them, because I had a $350 daily loss limit, they all got temporarily locked out for the day. So I have to wait 15 hours to trade these. But my main account has, I'm up $1,500. So it's kind of pointless to do anything. Like I would have been up 7,500 for the day. But I'm up only 1,500. Not only, but still, it was very annoying. Anyways, you guys, I have been watching this Japanese movie. If you ever heard about Batosai, but it's pretty nice. It's really good. Um, well, I think I am done for the day. I Since my other accounts are locked, and I am good on this one. To be honest, you guys, I don't care what happens in New York session today. I think it's gonna make a reversal pretty soon. Um, yeah, I'm done for Monday. To be honest, I could say I wish I these were not locked out. I would have been done for the week with $7,000, and then maybe look for like 1 or 2 trades this week. But this is really good. It's better than nothing. Um, yeah, that was a good trade. Long wait, 4 hours wait for $1,500 profit. All right, guys, trade safe. Peace.